Clap it out for yourself.
Good job, y'all. Good job. Good job.
Good job, bro. Hey.
Take the knee, fellas. Take the knee. Take the knee. Go Kiki right now. Take the knee.
Good. Keep playing football. Keep playing football, y'all. Keep playing football.
Good. You went down 12. You see how that shit happened, man?
Yeah,
Football. Football, come on. Hey, man, wonderful first half, man. Way to turn it around. Way to not give up.
Let's go put the game away, bro. Put the
Ball back. Ball back on the board. You get the ball
score again and go one.
Stay on their neck. Everybody, team play good. Play discipline. Prepare for
Y'all doing a hell of a good job. And we started off a little sluggish, a little miscue. Not being disciplined, we overcame that. That's what champions do. We overcome mistakes. You understand? Hey, listen here. Hey, pay attention. Y'all back up. Everybody back up. Everybody back up. Everybody back up.
Back up real quick.